Right now I have Najib Halimi from Yardi. Hi,
Yes.
how are you?
Hello.
I haven't
Good to
seen
meet
you
you.
since, I think I saw you in Denver a couple of years ago. Were you
I
at that
think it
trade
was
show?
here.
It was here last year?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
The year before.
The year before.
Yeah.
Thank you for being with us. Hey, and Chris Detrich, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Guys, there are two of you, and there's only one of me.
Yes.
So tell me what we need to know about Yardi.
All right. Yardi is a property management software company, and we are providing end-to-end solution for property owners and managers.
Yes.
From ERP system to all the service automation
Yes.
that they may need. So that's basically our core.
Could you move your mic just slide it up toward you, but a little closer to your mouth if you could. Actually, that's fine. Perfect.
All right.
Thanks. So we know what Yardi does. You
Yes.
guys are kind of one of the premier management solutions. What's going on with Realcomm 2012 as far as you guys are concerned?
Well, basically, we have been in contact with our clients on a regular basis. We used to hear from them that they needed to add automation to their processes, use technology, and become more efficient and up to date with the current trend of automation. I think lately most of the clients have used or deployed some automation for some of the services. What I'm talking about is like invoice processing, payment processing, procurement, or call centers, work orders, and all of that stuff. So they had gone in and automated most of these processes, but the biggest problem that you're facing today is integration. Either having a single solution for all their problem if they, for their automation issues, or find a way to bridge the communication between them. So I think that's what you're hearing right now.
Yeah, definitely. I think that our clients are looking for ways to have their disparate systems speak to each other and share information. Also seeing in the marketplace where clients are looking to leverage and extend their current investment in their platforms to, coming to us and saying, we love this product, but if we could just do a little more, and then asking us to, develop the products further as their businesses evolve.
So can we point to a couple of examples of how Yardi has taken on that challenge and succeeded?
Yeah. Go ahead, because I think procure to pay is a great example of that. So
yeah, basically what happened is about 4 or 5 years ago, Yardi acquired a company called Rcash that was in the automation business of payable and receivable. So although Yardi is initially a software company, but we slowly moved into the service arena, the services that the property manager or our clients need. So we acquired Rcash for invoice and payment automation, and then subsequent to that, SiteStuff was acquired for procurement automation. So now these are two different systems. So now we ended up with 3 systems. We got an invoice processing, a payment processing in one system. We got the procurement in another system. And we got our core ERP system that stands alone. So the challenge is to make sure that all these systems communicate and talk to each other. So we have put a lot of effort and resources into this project to make sure that all components could talk and integrate, so therefore the user would be able to mine, if I may say, the data that comes from different directions, and then increase their efficiency and saving. At the end of the day, these property managers want to be more efficient and show that to the owner community that here is the added value from my perspective, that I could manage your property cheaper than somebody else can do. Right. They cannot increase the space. The space is there.
Right.
The rent is the market rent, so you can't just go over the market rent. So the only place where you could add value to your clients is to run their business efficiently. And the best way to do that is to introduce innovative technology and integrated technology. That's basically what you need to do.
Chris, where is Yardi going? What can we, this is sort of a place for us to see some things that we can't talk about in big general sessions. What's the secret sauce? What's coming up?
The secret sauce. Well, I think the secret to success is, not necessarily anything new, and it's listening to the marketplace and listening to the clients and bringing them the products that they need to run their businesses. And that's what I think has brought Yardi success in the past and will do so in the future. And I think in particular we're seeing, as Najib was talking about, this desire to integrate the systems and have them talk to each other, and to have, in the example that I gave earlier, procure to pay, you can literally go all the way from requisition or PO all the way through payment, and then have that sit on top of the ERP system for one system of record, and it's all built in. And that's the type of solutions I think that we'll continue to provide.
Yeah, this is an interesting question. We had a conference last month in DC, and our founder and owner, CEO of the company, Yardi, came up and said that when I started building the application 20 years ago, I thought I'll be working for 2 or 3 months, maybe 6 to a year, and then the application would be done and I'll just go either retire or collect the money. Look, there is almost 30 years has passed and I'm still working to improve the application. So I think, again, the key for our success is, I would put it in 2 areas. Number one is that we are holding active communication, either through advisory boards, to conferences, to direct contact with the clients. We listen to them and we hear their needs and their desire for new technology, new processes. And also Yardi has been, a reason for our successes potentially in knowing the importance of R&D. How the technology moves from year to year, from month to month, and most of the technology companies are unable to keep pace, because when you develop something for Windows and then internet comes in, and if you don't have a leg up, you're out. Yeah. And then when the internet, you develop something for internet and the cloud computing comes in, SaaS comes in, and you're out. But we have allocated close to 25% of our human and intellectual and financial resources to our R&D. So we are always at the cutting edge of technology, and we are providing our clients with up-to-date computing technology to do their business.
Wonderful. I want to thank you guys for being part of Conference Live. Yardi, what you're talking about is having your finger on the pulse of technology, allocating the resources to making sure you're always on the cutting edge. And the other part is really paying attention to your customers and to the people. And obviously, here at Realcomm, we know that Yardi takes incredible care of the people who use it. So thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your time.
For having us
Thanks
on
for
the
your
show.
time.
And we'll see you guys later on in the conference.
Thank you.